Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world you are, and welcome to the Japanese Digital Pathology Society annual meeting 2021, hosted by Jun Fukaku and the Japanese Digital Pathology Group. My name is Raj Singh. I work as a professor of pathology in US, and today I'm going to show you what you can do with PathPresenter workflow solutions. So PathPresenter is a platform that was built in 2016. It has been built by clinicians for clinicians and allows the integration of whole slide images, DICOM images, and other kind of patient metadata to be used for clinical care, education, and research. So these are all the different kinds of workflow solutions that we have built for digital pathology and radiology images. The education and the practice platform allows you to integrate digital slides from any scanner, radiology images, and patient metadata to be used for clinical care or education. The AI and the data sharing platform will allow you to upload your data, then work either on your own or with collaborators to annotate the data and then use that annotated data for building and validating AI algorithms. The conference platform allows you to do all your internal as well as external conferences on the cloud, and the pharma platform will allow you to integrate your data with pharma or work with pharma to do preclinical and clinical trials. So the ecosystem that PathPresenter provides allows individual clinicians, which could be pathologist, radiologist, or any clinician using imaging data like oncology, that work in either pathology departments, big hospitals, organizations, in pharma space, in private pathology groups, to upload any kind of data that they have and use it for providing clinical care, education, research, and conferences and tumor boards, and also share this data with researchers, pharma companies, and AI companies to help them build algorithms that can again be used by the clinicians for providing better care to their patients. So currently the PathPresenter solution is being used extensively around the world. There are multiple institutions like Sloan Kettering, University of Texas, University of Chicago, Ohio State University, Boston University, Yale, University of Colorado, big organizations like the WHO, the Digital Pathology Association, the International Academy of Cytology, even private pathology groups like Quest Diagnostics, or smaller groups like SAGIS and DermPath 101. Some institutions in Japan, Nagasaki University, organizations like the Japanese Respiratory Society, and multiple other organizations use the PathPresenter workflow solutions for daily use. And if you look at the individual users around the world, there are more than 350,000 plus users in 183 countries that use the solution on a daily basis. And you can see, like in 2021, the use of the platform has skyrocketed because of the COVID pandemic, and people have to go online to use to provide better clinical care. So using the PathPresenter solution, that you can enhance all the three pillars that any organization is involved in. So the first big pillar is providing good clinical care to our patients, for which you can use the platform for providing consultation services, remote diagnosis, as well as doing primary diagnosis. The other big pillar for any organization is to provide education and train new doctors. For that, you can use the PathPresenter solutions to do all your internal conferences, external conferences, as well as tumor boards, and then even testing like quizzes and self-assessment modules, and providing CMEs. And for research, it will allow you to share your data for building and validation of AI and machine learning tools, and to work with the pharma space. So I'm going to show you a quick demo of the various platforms that we have. So the PathPresenter platform that you see here is the open public platform that you could use for testing and like getting used to the platform, and then you could also have a private institutional platform that will allow you to keep your data private and use it within the institution. The private solutions are being used, like I said, by this is the Nagasaki platform that you can see here, nagasaki.pathpresenter.net. This is the Japanese Respiratory Society platform. This is the Sloan Kettering platform. This is the University of Chicago. So each one of them you cannot log in because you have to have a university or an organizational login to log into these platforms so that the data can stay within the institution. If you want to host a conference, you could use the conference platform, which will allow you to hold your international conferences on the platform. If you plan to write any kind of ebooks or journals, there is a solution to use the publication platform. And if you are planning to work with the pharma company, there is a pharma.pathpresenter platform. So if we come back to the public platform or any of these institutional platforms, the solution that you are going to see are available on this dashboard. So the My Slide box is essentially a file management system on the cloud that will allow you to upload any kind of data here. So this could be an SVS file, it could be a Philips iSyntex file, it could be a Hamamatsu NDPI file, or it could be a Motic SVS file. So any kind of scanner that you are using is compatible with PathPresenter, and the slide will be uploaded into the system. Once the slide is uploaded, it is very easy to view the slide, and we will go over the viewer features very quickly. If it is a CT scan or an MRI or a radiology image, the inbuilt viewer will also allow you to upload these images, or it could be MP4 videos, PDF files, JPEG files. Anything will go into the PathPresenter My Slide box. Once it is in the slide box, it is very easy to share these images. So if you want to share this image with anybody, you can just say, I want to share this image. You can copy the link and send the link to anybody, and the person would then just click on the link, and once they click on the link, the slide is going to open up. This could also happen on a mobile phone, and they don't have to be in front of a computer to see this image. You can also download a QR code, and the QR code could go on posters, it could go in journals, it could go in any book chapter that you're writing, and anybody who scans this QR code will be able to open the image. You can right now also test this QR code by scanning this image with your phone. You can not only share one slide, you can share multiple slides together, or you can share an entire folder to either provide or get a second opinion in 1 minute. So once the slides is in the slide box, then you can use it to create presentations, you can use it to create your slide boxes, which are the high yield cases. You can do quizzes, you can build quizzes, you can do self-assessment modules, you can do all your conferences, and you can do consensus meeting on the PathPresenter platform. The presentations also allow you to do your tumor boards. So if you want to host a tumor board, you can do it on the platform. So in the presentations or in the tumor boards, you can integrate PowerPoint slides, radiology images, pathology images, all into one seamless presentation. So here is an example of a presentation that you see that has PowerPoint slides, has pathology images and radiology images that are integrated into one seamless presentation. So the clinician can present the clinical data, the pathologist can then talk about the pathology, and the radiologist can then talk about the radiology. And this can all happen on the cloud. You can create polls for your images, and there's a lot of other features which we can demo to you whenever needed to how to use this the presentation tool. The assessment tool will allow you to create quizzes very easily. So you can easily create a quiz and then share this quiz with people on social media, or even with your trainees and attendees for them to test themselves out. The reporting module will allow you to use this for doing any kind of reporting. So let's go and just show you the viewer that allows you to do this. So if you look at the reporting module, it will allow you to share your slides on the platform, and once the pathologist will come in, they will see the slides here. Any slide that is associated with the patient will all be seen here with the labels, and you can all the bells and whistles that you need for reporting are all available here. You can also use it with AI tools that you would like to use for reporting. All the patient information can easily be seen very easily. If you would like to send a message to the pathologist for any kind of additional slides or staining, you can send a message to all the people that are involved with the case. And if you would like to run any of the models, the AI models, it will also help you run this AI model. So if I want to do this AI model, I could easily go in here and I could go on the AI models, and if I click on the AI model and I want to run a KI67, I can then draw a label on specific area that I would like to run, and then it would allow you to run the AI model on the platform. Once the AI model is run, then you would be able to export the report into your LIS, into the LIS. The conference platform allows you to run any kind of conferences on the platform. So the last conference that we ran, the masterclass in pathology, it attracted more than 7,200 attendees from all over the world. In these conference platforms, you can invite any faculty to upload their lectures or even do a live demo, live presentation of the lectures. The assessment will allow you to create these assessments, which would then help you to provide CMEs. You can invite people to upload posters. Everything can be done on the platform. So coming back to our presentation, so if you would like to look at any of these solutions and you are interested in building a private PathPresenter solution for your institution, for your private labs, for your organization, please connect with NLab, and then through NLab we will be able to work with you and provide you with a solution that is that would help you provide any of the things that you would like to do with digital pathology, either provide good clinical care for your education and conferencing needs or for your research needs. Thank you very much.